First go to the file and choose open. Select this girl image, press open. Hit shortcut D to set the default black and white colors here. Now go to filter, filter gallery. Here choose the photocopy filter. Increase the detail option to 5, darkness to 35. Press OK. Now go to the image, adjustments and choose levels. Here modify the input levels like this. Press OK. Now go to the adjustment layer options and choose a gradient map adjustment layer. Select the color here. Click OK. Go to file and choose place embedded. Select this paper background image, click place. Press enter. Now move this layer to the bottom. Select the main layer. Go to blend modes and choose multiply. Now select the layer, click on add layer mask option below. Take the brush tool, set the foreground color to black. Let's mask the unwanted dots or lines like this. Let's see the final result.